Hey, what's going on everybody? My name is Marissa Romero, and in this video you're going to want to stay tuned because I'm going to talk about sales funnels for beginners and clear up a whole bunch of things that you may have been confused on. So this is going to be, a complete guide on, where to get started and how you could potentially boost your sales and profits like crazy. So again, please stay tuned for this video and I'll see you guys in a second. Alright everybody, welcome back to this video. Again, my name is Marissa, and if you're new to the channel, welcome to the channel, and if you are a returning subscriber, I appreciate you and appreciate you watching my videos up to this point. If you're new, what you can expect on this channel is, me teaching people how to make money online, how to start an online business from scratch, whether you're a beginner, intermediate, or advanced marketer. I think that there's something on this channel for everybody. Not only that, I incorporate things like lifestyle videos, behind the scenes of my business, and also my worldwide travels, because I'm also a digital nomad. I currently right now live in Medellin, Colombia, and I absolutely love it. So I'm able to operate my business from simply my laptop and an internet connection from anywhere I want in the world. So it's pretty exciting, and I want seriously to teach everybody how to do it, and I want to help out in any way that I can. So if that's your jam, go ahead and smash that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, because I upload very consistently and you won't want to miss a thing. So if you guys are excited about today's content, please give it a thumbs up. And in the comments below, if you could do me a favor and write sales funnels if you're interested in learning more about this topic, because it's a very demanding topic. There's multiple aspects of sales funnels, so I can create later videos on other aspects of sales funnels. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to switch to my computer, show you guys this presentation I put together, and give you guys some tips. First I just wanted to kind of start off with what is a sales funnel, because all the time I get in the comments, Marissa, how do I need a website to get started, and what do I need online to really get my business going? And my first answer to that is, before building sales funnels, you really have to start building your brand and creating an audience on a certain platform, whether that's YouTube, Instagram, Pinterest, Facebook, whatever it is. But I've made several videos about that. Today is about sales funnels. And so the answer is no, you do not need a full-blown website to start your affiliate marketing business or online marketing business. You really, it's 100% crucial, however, to have sales funnels. So what is a sales funnel? Simply, a sales funnel is taking a visitor to your page, or that goes to your page. So taking a visitor through a sales process and converting them into a buyer and a loyal customer that could potentially buy from you over and over again. Okay, so it's the sales funnel you set up is selling to somebody virtually. Of course, you set up these web pages that kind of take them through. They present the offer. Okay, and that's what's really cool about sales funnels. All right, and so the reason why sales funnels are so important is because people hardly ever buy something right away. They have to think about it. Maybe they weren't looking to buy something right away. So that's why it's important that you use a sales funnel, because a sales funnel will continue to sell to this person after they first see the offer. Okay, so a sales funnel also helps with building trust, building a relationship with your potential customer. It allows them to show your brand and to give exposure to your brand. Okay, so also a complex part of sales funnels is called upsells, downsells, and cross sells. We won't get into that today because I don't want to overwhelm you guys, but there's really some cool things you can do with sales funnels once you learn the foundation and the basics. So the way it starts is, we've all seen a squeeze page, whether maybe you've built your own. If you haven't seen one before, you've probably come across a website, or maybe somewhere on Instagram or somewhere on the interweb, where you've seen a page and it has an option to give you where you can opt in and put your name and email, maybe other information like your phone number, your address. But a squeeze page is the engine of, you know, building your list. If you don't have a squeeze page, you can't collect information like name and email. And if you can't do that, you can't build your list, okay? Because the key to making money is in building that email marketing list. All right, so yeah, the squeeze page, it'll have a, you know, a place, opt-in area to enter in your name and email. You'll have a headline, a sub-headline, and also in this day and age, we have to be careful with the GDPR, which is a, you know, a regulation where, you know, people have to, you know, confirm that they've read the terms of services, and it's for a privacy thing to help with the privacy of your visitors and people that are opting into your list. So it's a rule that helps protect privacy. So right now it's pretty much essential for you to have some type of GDPR thing, but don't worry about that right now. Okay, so, and of course a squeeze page is one type of landing page. There's different kinds of landing pages. A squeeze page is more simple, okay? It's not gonna have a long, you know, sales copy. It's not going to have video. It's just going to be very, very simple, and that's what you want to aim for. The simpler, the better with a squeeze page. So the next thing you're gonna have is a thank you page. So once they opt in, where does the visitor go? Your sales funnel should direct them to a thank you page, okay? The thank you page is the start of your follow-up to the potential customer, okay? I love thank you pages because there's so much you can do. You can have a video that, you know, with you talking, explaining what to do next, directing them to your offer. It's an essential part of the sales funnel process. No matter what type of funnel, no matter how complex, you're going to have a thank you page, okay? And so I mentioned broadcasts and sequences and autoresponders. That's something that's a piece of email marketing. I won't bring that up today, but I just wanted to mention it because those are some things that you'll also need to do once people get on your list. You'll have broadcast emails you could send, and sequences and autoresponders that you can set up. Okay, and then your next question may be like, okay, well, how does this work? How do I get people to opt into my sales funnel and my list? So what you're gonna need is something we call a lead magnet. So a lead magnet is a piece of value in the form of an ebook, webinar, free mini training, free video course, free article, free PDF, whatever it is you have knowledge on and can share. You package that together, put it together, and offer it to your audience. It's a really powerful thing, and it also gives your brand authority when you have a lead magnet. So let's say you're in the health and nutrition niche, you would want to make a lead magnet. Maybe you have a 5-day, you know, free video series on, you know, your best top workouts to do every single day that helps you get 6-pack abs or something like that. So that's something, you know, people can do that from home, and that's something they would want to know. All right, so that's an example of a lead magnet, okay? So then, you know, the benefits of sales funnels. I mean, besides sales funnels being pretty much required, the benefits is that as long as you set up your funnel on a platform and you can drive traffic, whether it's free traffic or paid traffic to your offer, the sales funnel works for you 24/7, okay? You don't need a fancy website, as I mentioned in the beginning. You know, on the back end, you follow up with email marketing, and you have to, I tell marketers that you have to have a minimum of a 7-day follow-up series presenting the offer, you know, for 7 days in a row. And the cool thing about sales funnels is you can always improve. I mean, you're gonna have to, you know, reconnect with your sales funnel, see where there's room for improvement, because at the end of the day, you don't wanna, we're always improving, we're always learning new things. So you're gonna want to adjust your funnels, and once it's built, it's really easy to adjust. You know, the next thing I wanted to say is that in order to have a sales funnel, you're going to need a sales funnel building platform. You know, and also to go with that, you're going to need an email marketing platform, because the two go hand in hand. Sales funnel building platform and email marketing. So what I use, one of the platforms I use is called Builderall, and I love Builderall because it's kind of, think of like a Wix.com and a ClickFunnels and, you know, lead pages. It's kind of all that into one program, and it's a very, very, very affordable for people that want to, you know, get the ground, or get up and moving with their products and selling and all that type of stuff, and building their list, because you can join for as little as $30 a month and get all these cool tools. So now I'll show you a little bit of the platform right now. So this is my Builderall back office, and as you can see, it's really cool and laid out. They have this dashboard, so if you want to, this is where you could build websites. This is where you can see the different types of sales funnel templates. There's so many, for so many different courses. Maybe you're developing a digital product, a digital course, they have a funnel for that. But the squeeze page funnel that I talked about is right here. It's definitely, this simple funnel has made me a lot of money within the past 4 to 5 months. So I highly recommend that. Okay, and there's so many different types of funnels, and one of the other cool things that I love is, people ask about websites a lot, and Builderall, you can create a website, like literally, like if you wanted to do a, whatever it is, your domain.com, you could come here and they have so many templates for so many niches, like fashion, beauty, photography, services, and maintenance. So it's really, really, really cool. You can have a website up and running very, very quickly, okay? So with that being said, I have plenty of other videos that that have in-depth reviews of Builderall, okay? And you guys I'll leave the links to those in the description, so you guys can check out more of how I go into this software more in depth and what it offers and how it works. Also, I'll leave a link to the bonuses that I have if you were to take action and join Builderall through my link in the description. You guys can check that out. Feel free to ask me questions in the comments, okay? And if you were to sign up with Builderall today and get things off the ground and running, let me know. Shoot me an email. I'll leave my email in the link in the description. Please shoot me an email, because if not, I'm not going to be able to offer you the bonuses, okay? So I hope that cleared up some things for you guys, and you're able to connect the dots a little bit better, okay? Again, I have way more in-depth videos on how this system works and how to edit things and make sales funnels really pretty and all that great stuff. So again, give this video a thumbs up if you got any value at all. My name is Marissa Romero. If you haven't already, smash that subscribe button, and I will see you guys on the next video. Take care.